Today I'm going to show you how to make a dream catcher from things you might have lying around your dorm room. First, you're going to use yarn and tie it to an embroidery hoop using a simple square knot, making sure to leave a tail. Next, you're going to wrap the yarn around the hoop so as to cover the wood entirely. Once you get back to the beginning, you want to make sure that you have an excess length of yarn at the end. Cut that and then tie that to your initial tail that you had made in the beginning using a simple square knot. Next, we're going to make a loop to hang the dream catcher from. To do this, line up the two ends of the string. Make a loop around your finger and then tuck the tails of the string in through the back side of the loop. I'm sorry it's difficult to see. Unfortunately, I did not cut enough of a tail to make it easy. Once you do that, you're going to pull it tight, just like that. And there you have your loop. Next, you're going to use the string that you want to be the netting and tie that to the hoop with a simple square knot. You're going to take that string and lay it over the hoop, and then you're going to reach through the loop you just made and grab the rest of the string and pull it through. It's kind of like a friendship bracelet knot. So again, you're going to lay the string over the hoop, you're going to reach through the newly made loop and grab the rest of the string and pull it through. You're going to repeat this process all the way around the embroidery hoop. You'll notice that the loops you're making are kind of loose, but that's okay, we'll come back to it. The next step is to keep this process going, but instead of wrapping the string around the hoop, you want to wrap it around the first row of loops you made. So, thread it through and then pull it through the second row of loops. Just like that. Now keep this going until you're about halfway through the embroidery hoop, repeating the same thing you were doing before. Once you're about halfway through, we're going to go back to our first loop and tighten all the string, kind of hold it in place and give it its dream catcher form. So follow that string through, and then once you come to the end, continue what you were doing, spiraling inward until you have the dream catcher of your size preference. Then tie the string in a knot to itself, and then you're all done.